Good Wednesday evening, Southeast Texas, looking at a pretty good chance of rain and maybe a few thunderstorms coming up Thursday morning. Severe threat is very unlikely. Now, just because you have a high coverage or chance of rain does not necessarily mean you're going to see heavy rainfall. Case in point, looks like most of the area will see rain tomorrow. We don't expect heavy rain, a quarter to maybe a half an inch, maybe a little bit higher in some spots. Otherwise, after the front comes through Thursday, we're looking at dry weather Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we've had to increase rain chances ahead of Monday's next upper level disturbance that'll bring us a scattering of showers and storms. After that, we will continue to see a scattering of showers and storms Tuesday and Wednesday of next week ahead of next Thursday's cold front. Otherwise, if we get enough sunshine in here tomorrow afternoon with that drier air filtering on in, we could see highs into the mid to upper 70s, maybe 80. Maybe a little wishful thinking, but it's still possible. Otherwise, a second cold front will come in Thursday night, and that'll knock temperatures down to chilly levels coming up Friday and Saturday, and we're pretty close to normal by, say, Sunday afternoon. Then we start warming things up as we head on into, say, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. That's ahead of next Thursday's cold front. Our next weather maker is into the desert Southwest, the Four Corners region. This is what we're tracking to bring us our next disturbance heading on off towards the north and east. So the severe threat, because of that disturbance lifting off to the north and east, should be very unlikely here. Then as we head towards, say, Sunday night into Monday, here comes the next disturbance moving through the area, and that will bring us another round of scattered showers and storms. So tonight, light stuff. It's going to be windy and very mild, kind of clammy out there as moist southerly flow off the Gulf of Mexico persists. Again, could see some gusts to 30 miles an hour overnight. Tomorrow is going to be a windy day. We could see wind gusts ahead of the front around 40 miles an hour tomorrow. As you can see, mainly rain, maybe a few thunderstorms with the passage of this front. It'll bring mainly drier air. Look at the temperatures really warming up. Again, could hit 80 in spots. Then the stronger cold front will come in tomorrow night, and that'll knock temperatures down, and it'll be quite chilly when you get up on Friday morning. On the Gulf of Mexico, rough seas tomorrow around 3 to 6, maybe 7s out there. Small craft advisory with southwest winds at 15 to 20 knots. Water temperature currently at 57. Our forecast tonight, 30% coverage of light showers. It's going to be windy and mostly cloudy, some gusts to 30 miles an hour. The only uncertain part of the forecast is whether or not we'll get as cool as what I have up in the lakes here. It could be warmer than what I have. Feel pretty good about mid-60s here in Beaumont. Otherwise, tomorrow, again, a very small sliver of a marginal or the lowest level of severe weather risk tomorrow up in the lakes area, mainly up towards northern Newton County. The problem is that there's excellent turning with the winds in height, good directional and speed shear. Okay, this could produce tornadoes if we had enough instability, but we don't. This is very common that we see during this time of year. The lack of instability, even though the winds would be very favorable for tornadoes, we're not expecting those tomorrow because of the lack of instability. That's all going to be off to the north and east because they have higher instability levels up that way. So tomorrow, we'll go with a 70 to 80% coverage of mainly morning showers and a few thunderstorms. Then the sun comes back in the afternoon, and highs will pop up into the mid to upper 70s, maybe 80. Again, winds could gust. Look at that. There's 30, maybe 40 miles an hour in spots tomorrow ahead of the next front coming in tomorrow night. Otherwise, a yellow bar day, sun in the afternoon, then chilly temperatures coming up on Friday. Could be near freezing in the lake. Saturday, temperatures moderate a bit. Sunday, the clouds come back a little bit faster than what we were showing yesterday, so we've had to include a 20% coverage of showers ahead of that disturbance. That brings us that 50% coverage on Monday. Otherwise, a very warm, humid air mass will stick around Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Highs could be in the upper 70s to near 80 ahead of next Thursday's cold front. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.